Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I'm making a simple and beautiful ring using the Beadalon 20 gauge German wire. The German wire is a medium temper wire and is great for making rings and earrings and pendants. It holds its shape really nicely and is perfect for these spiral rings. I'm using 20 gauge gold Beadalon German wire and a stepped wooden ring mandrel. I'm using the Beadalon Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, the round nose pliers, and the slimline chain nose pliers. About 3 inches from one side, I will hold the wire with the round pliers and form a little loop. So we're pushing the wire around, and then to make it smaller, I'll hold the wire with the nylon jaw pliers and give the wire a little tug and bring it around to continue around that loop. So press the wire down, hold it firmly with the nylon jaw pliers, and we will bring the end of the wire around to make a spiral. So hold it firmly, bring the wire around, and keep going until the spiral is the size that you want. So hold and push the wire around. The German wire is great. It's more firm than the artistic wire, and you can make this ring that will hold its shape nicely with 20 gauge or even 18 gauge wire if you prefer. So keep going around and around to form that spiral. Holding it firmly with the nylon jaw pliers, give it a little press and push the wire. Take your time with it and make this as big as you want. Now we're just going to straighten out those wires, and then you need to flip it over and bend up that center wire just at a bit of an angle. So they're going out on either side, and now we're going to place it on the stepped wooden ring mandrel and bring those wires around. I always tend to cut my wires a little too long. Really depends on the size of your spiral. So bring those wires around at a smaller size than your regular ring size because they will bounce back, and then we are going to cut the ends flush on either side and push them in. You can file those ends first to make sure they're not scratchy. Clip and file the other end, and now we're going to push those ends underneath the ring so they're discreet, and you can adjust the bands so they're lined up. From there, if you want, you can put it back on the ring mandrel. You can actually hammer this as well to make it more firm. And there we have our really super cute ring with the ends hidden underneath on either side. It's a very beautiful and classic ring, and you can make it with a larger spiral or a smaller spiral. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. You can also join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. You can get the templates for most of my projects in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.